Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna go over units of concentration of a solution, and one of them is known as mass percentage. So mass percentage of a component in a given solution is the mass of the component per 100 gram of solution, or mathematically it can be written as mass of the component in solution divided by total mass of the solution. And we need to multiply it by 100 because the end result is a percent. So let's say if we have a component A and the mass of component A is WA, and we have another component B and the mass of component B is WB, and we like to calculate mass percent of WB in the solution of WA and WB, then it is going to be mass of the component, which is WB, and divide it by total mass of the solution, which is WA plus WB, and multiply it by 100. In case of liquids dissolved in another liquid, we express this concentration in volume percentage. So let's say if we have again component A, and the volume of component A is VA, and the volume of component B is VB, and we like to calculate the volume percentage of component B, then it is going to be VB divided by VA plus BB and multiply by 100. So this is known as volume percentage. Let's go over a very simple example to understand it. So let's say we have a solution, and this solution has 5 gram of salt and 95 gram of water, and we like to calculate mass percent of the salt in this solution. So this is going to be equal to, so mass percentage of salt is going to be equal to the mass of the component, which is 5 gram, it's given 5 gram, and divide it by the total mass of the solution, which is 5 gram plus 95 gram of water, and multiply by 100. Simple calculation. So 5 gram divided by 100 gram, and we multiply by 100 to change it to percent. So gram cancel, 100 cancel, so we left with 5%. So the mass percentage of salt in this solution is 5%. Let's do another simple example. Let's say we have a 10% glucose in water. That means there is 10 gram of glucose, and we have 90 gram water. And if we like to calculate the mass percent of the glucose in this solution, then it is going to be the mass of the component, which is 10 gram, and divided by total mass of the solution, which is 10 plus 90. So 10 gram is glucose and 90 gram is water. So it is going to be 10 gram divided by 100, multiply by 100. So this gives us 10%. Cancel the gram. So we're left with 10%. So these are very basic, simple examples just to understand the concept. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do share and subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos in chemistry. Please, thank you. Have a good day.